from the way you are from, yes. But if you get into that of they're just friends, they're just neighbors. Because, but not it depends the way this year,
Beach scene behind her, I pool scene behind her, Sabaya, such change, knows or more problem or home, Narkie a chapel. Into Omco change. All right. Especially me by out here. Also, students you Hajia.
Blind man leading a blind man.
Moonflow, Kakana, man for sure. Moonflow. Moon change it in intonation. My uncle English. Yeah, I call life. Yeah. No, YouTube.
Okay.
Moi, je m'appelle Charity Ohemaa.
Hey. Je m'appelle Patricia Narkie.
Okay, and my name is Hajia Fauzy.
Hey. Buzzing again.
We are all speaking French.
Okay, so what's up?
Have you seen all this lady? We are very proud to be a Ghanaian. Oh, yeah. And we love our country so much. So I hope you two love us. Because to all. Cheers to life and more prosperity. And expect more from us, okay, guys?
Okay, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Busty TV and Ghana Movies TV. Please share and put your comments in me here. I really need your comments.
It's very important.
Anything, just flow. Anything, I'm always there for you. Okay. So what's up? Bye.
Girl is very important.
Like the makeup style,
Well, you're tired, girl. What's a fancy?
Hey, ma. But the Ohemaa did you? Master, me too, man.
Abaya, me drink an answer.
Miss me drink castle. And a pure new. Me do not so. A pure. Baby, come home, man. Baby, I say, what for then? Mammy, drink. If I'm a drink, I'm home.
Oh, hey, I know who you best to say.
Pictures, man. Here we are more time into watching one.
Uncle, if I charge you, pose one, uncle. There will be a show. David, madam, let me show you. Okay, so you him. O sabre say Hajia brain say. Na ma also kunu say nenya nsa na hwade. Hajia kunu say. Moses Santa brain. Now we am pose. Okay. Mama o put ye pe oto no. Mama so te say ya na mpem.
I don't trying to say so. Keep the hydrate.
Thank you. Okay. If I talk, I'm going to tutu. Obia tutu. Obi ebimbra nanka. Sister, when you are doing, you know, mommy.
Toto.
I don't know, mommy.